Good morning. Welcome to Rachel's Awake and Bake. This morning I'll be making sourdough French bread. So we will begin with 1 3/4 cups of warm water and 1 package of active yeast, 1/4 ounce or 2 1/4 teaspoons. I'm just gonna dissolve the yeast. Okay, now we're gonna add our ingredients. We will add 4 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sourdough starter. And you can find my recipe on my channel for my sourdough starter. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And we're just going to mix that. Okay, once the dough is manageable, I'm just going to place it on a floured surface. We are just going to knead about 20 to 30 times. So now we're just going to place it in a greased bowl. And we're just going to flip it once to grease the top, and we're going to cover in a warm place for about an hour, hour and a half. Okay, I'm just going to lightly flour my surface, and I'm going to punch my dough down. It's been about an hour and a half, so we'll punch the dough down. We're just going to cut that in two. And we'll roll each piece about we're just going to roll it in jelly roll style. Cut in the ends. And then we'll pinch the end. And we'll just place on a greased pan or on parchment paper. And we'll repeat with the second one. We'll just put them on our pan. I'm just going to use parchment paper. You can just grease your pan. And we're going to let it rest for about 30 minutes or until it doubles in size. Okay, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. We're just going to mix a 1/2 cup of water with 1 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. And we're just going to cook this until it thickens. Okay, now that our bread has doubled in size, I am just going to take a sharp knife. I'm just going to do 4 shallow slits. Now that my cornstarch mixture has thickened, I'm just going to brush it on top of the loaves here. You can see how it's thickened. And we'll bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. So these baked for 15 minutes, and I'm just going to brush the rest of my cornstarch mix. And then we'll put them in the oven for another 10 minutes.
bread turned out very nice.